Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
Tension headaches, I'm assuming?
Yeah, for how long has this been going on?
5+ years.
5+ years. So tell me a brief history, like what happened, who did you see for that?
I've seen a neurologist.
Okay.
I've seen a ENT.
ENT, okay.
I've seen a physical therapist.
Okay.
I've seen a chiropractor.
Okay.
Oh, nope. And I've seen an ex specialist.
Oh, okay. So you've seen everybody.
I have.
All right. So what kind of treatment? Did you had any shots? Any like?
I've had Botox from
Okay.
a neurologist. I've had a cortisone shot from the
Okay.
specialist. My primary doctor gives me muscle relaxers.
Okay.
That's about it. Medication.
So you basically tried everything under the earth. Okay. So can you describe the symptoms of the headache? How often you have it, or is it daily or?
Daily.
Okay.
I would say some days it feels like somebody's pulling like on my head, just pulling down.
Okay.
Some days it's throbbing.
Okay.
Sometimes I have like, I forget what it's called, the vision where it's like.
So you have blur. You get blur vision.
Yes.
Do you feel nauseous?
No.
Light sensitivity?
No.
Okay. What other symptoms?
Sometimes with the blurred vision, it follows a headache, like an intense headache. Sometimes it doesn't, and it just goes away, and I'm back to normal.
Okay. So what's going on with your jaw too?
I have TMJ.
Okay.
As well. That's why I went to ENT.
Yeah.
I swear, still to this day, I have sinus issues.
Okay.
He says no, I have TMJ. I've been to physical therapy for TMJ.
Again.
Physical therapy for my neck.
Okay.
And still feel the same.
Well, you are a regular customer.
Yes.
Sorry about
like
that. Oh, no. All right. So sorry about that. So everything should not aggravate your symptoms. So currently, right now, how much discomfort or headache do you feel? I want you to turn your head left and right, move it around.
Like it doesn't
You are
hurt.
really tight. Can
like
you turn?
Like it's just more like sensitive when I go up like that, but it's not like invariable. Like
So turn left or right, the other way. Side bend. And the other way. Okay. All right. So, and you have issue with eating or talking?
No, my jaw.
Just clicks. Yeah. Okay. All right. So, so you feel more. All right. So you said you feel the pressure here.
Yeah. It mainly like is more like if I'm talking about my like in here, like when I push right up in here, like right below my brow, it feels like it like relieves pressure.
When you do this.
Yeah.
It does not last.
Right.
Alright, so let me actually, if you were contact with it.
No.
So let me know. Okay, so, alright. Let me not take too much of it. Push.
Oh, you want me to push?
Yep, with your nose.
Oh.
Push with your nose. Push. Let me know if you're feeling pain with that, okay?
I'll get your facing.
Tightness maybe. So make sure to loosen up. Did anyone work on your face like this? Ever? How many specialists have you to? Probably 6 or 8 or something.
Something like that. None of them have ever talked about my scar tissue.
Okay. But you have a scar tissue, so.
My head doesn't really hurt, but I still have
The tightness
back
there.
here. Yeah,
What about the pressure behind your eyes and in the nose area?
I don't feel that right now.
That's gone now?
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful. So you feel it right in here.
Feel it right in here and right in here.
Okay. Massage is not actually break the scar tissue. That's why I invented this instrument. It's hard to break it with the hand. I feel bad for masseurs that try to break it with the hand. Is that too much?
No, you're good.
So you said it's in here too?
No, mainly just on the sides.
Yeah, that's what I feel on the side. Here, you see it? You feel
Yeah.
that? It's from clenching.
No.
What's happening?
No, I was like, thank you.
Nothing that I know. No.
It's funky. Compared to this nice and smooth.
Right.
It's a lot of scar tissue. So the problem with scar tissue, our muscle should act like a rubber band when you contract and relax. It does this. When we have a scar tissue, it's actually like you have a knot in a rubber band. So when the muscle contracts, it does not stretch much. So and that compresses nerve and artery, and that decreases range of motion, and in your case probably that causing the headache because you don't have enough blood supply and tighten everything
Right.
downward. So that's what I try to do. Look at the scar tissue, I will release the fascia, and do some your trigger points and muscles. How you feel? Do you feel
Good.
any tightness or it's gone?
Not as bad.
Okay.
Like now I feel like it's in my shoulder. It's just like moving.
So the good news is actually when we release one area, okay, your brain gonna pick the strongest painful signal.
Okay.
So if your strongest painful signal is here, and I work on it, that's released, your brain gonna pick the second strongest painful signal. So it will compare. Oh, this feel loose. You're gonna start to compare. Oh, that doesn't feel the same like
Right.
this. So it's not the pain traveling. It's you start to comparing loose to tight area. That's actually a very good sign. That's mean we actually moving on. We're not stuck on
Okay.
that spot. You're gonna complain of other areas because nobody release it. You know.
Right.
So yeah, it's a very good sign. So we're moving on.
Okay.
You know. So you feel it here.
Mm-hmm.
And you feel it both the same, the left and right.
Yes. Doesn't feel as tight.
Just turn your head left and right, up and down. Any headache?
No, currently.
All right. So tell me, what do you think about ASTR treatment?
So far, I think it's good.
Yeah. All right. No symptoms now. Yeah.
Not right now. No.
Okay. Awesome. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.